Lesson 7.1 Practice Challenge. The table below shows the number of each type of crayon sitting in a bag instead of marble. What is the estimate of the probability of selecting a blue crayon from the bag without looking? Express your answer as a fraction, decimal, and percent. So this is essentially the same. So first we're going to add up the numbers. 10 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6. 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 3 is 18, plus 3 is 21, plus 3 is 24, plus 6 is 30. So instead of equaling 50, we have a total of 30 crayons total. So we still want blue. Blue is 5. Blue is 5 out of 30. So our fraction is going to be 5 over 30. I can reduce this, dividing both the top and bottom by 5, so that's going to be 1/6. To get a fraction out of 100, this is going to be where it's a little bit more difficult. I like getting a fraction out of 100 because that helps me get the decimal and the percent. So if I go 1 divided by 6, 6 goes into 10 one time. 10 subtract 6 is 4. Bring down a 0. 6 goes into 40, not 7, 6 times, which 6 times 6 is 36. And 4, and I see it's going to repeat. So this is equal to 16.6 out of 100 would be a decimal. So it doesn't make a great fraction, but this gets me, solving it this way gets me the decimal. So I would say the decimal is 0.166, and it's repeated 6. And so my percent would be this times 100 would be 16.6 per 100. So my percent is 16.6%. We can just put it at one decimal place. We don't need to keep putting a lot of decimals. So what this tells me, in summary, is that the probability of selecting a blue crayon would be either 5 out of 30 or 1/6. The probability is 1/6 that I will get a blue crayon. We can say the probability is 0.1666 repeated, and the probability of getting a blue crayon is 16.6%.